बड़ी खबर आपको बताते हैं, सीडीएस ने आतंकवाद के मुद्दे पर पाकिस्तान को 2 टूक चेतावनी दी है। सीडीएस ने स्पष्ट कहा है कि पाकिस्तान आतंकवाद पर लगाम लगाए। साथ ही सीडीएस ने कहा कि भारत को एटमी धमकी बिल्कुल बर्दाश्त नहीं। हमारी ड्रोन क्षमता पाकिस्तान से बहुत बेहतर।
War is a continuation of policy by other means. If you look at this particular statement, I, as a scholar, as an army officer, draw two important derivatives, conclusions out of this particular statement. One is that war is a finite kind of an entity. That means there is politics, and when you fail in that politics, then you resort to use of force. So then there is war. And when war ends, politics, in the sense negotiations again start. So we have seen that in 71 war, that before that, there's politics, and then there's a 14-day war, and then again you go back to similar negotiations. So this is a definite end point and the start point to this activity of war. I think this particular paradigm which Claudius has postulated, or the conclusion which we have drawn, is entirely wrong. Today, war is a continuation of 5 C's, which I say as cooperation, competition, confrontation, conflict, and combat. That's war. In one particular sequence, they continue happening, and the state tries to include any kind of instrument which is available to it for achievement of its political objectives, that is diplomatic, informational, military, and economic. You recently seen this war on trade and tariff action. That's basically for attainment of political objectives.